Let's start by clicking our web browser, in this case Brave. Now let's go to VirtualBox.org. VirtualBox is an Oracle product. You can see the description on that web page. You don't have to worry about any key, and you can go ahead and download the product. Let's save the installer on our PC. On your web browser you can see the progress of your download. Once it's done, let's go to that folder and run the installer. Our installation wizard, you can follow the instructions based on your preference, or you just click next for default settings. When the installation is finished, let's go to our desktop. You will find the new icon with the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Just let's go and open that new program. VirtualBox is a very friendly program, but we need the ISO first to create our VM. Let's go to Ubuntu.com and download the operating system from there. At the Ubuntu website you will find desktop, server and cloud versions, but we need just to focus on the desktop version to apply on our computer. So let's go and download the desktop image. Let's download desktop image ISO file Ubuntu 19.04. Let's start our installation with VirtualBox. Let's create our new virtual machine. When you open VirtualBox, just click new and assign a new name, and of course a new folder where all the virtual machine files will be saved on your computer. Please make sure what architecture your computer is running. In this case, this 64 bits, but just please make sure the correct operating system to run your virtual machine so you can assign the correct settings. When you create your virtual machine for the first time, you will have the option to assign settings and any kind of resources like memory RAM, storage and network to your computer. Remember that when you are with the storage, you will have dynamically allocated. This setting is very recommended because basically that will assign a virtual number to your hard drive or your virtual machine, but it's not going to take immediately that allocation from your hard drive. Basically, when your virtual machine is ready, you can power on and select the new operating system so we can begin with our installation. Remember, we downloaded Ubuntu before, so let's select the ISO file and start installation. Ubuntu installation basically is just another wizard, so you can select the settings based on your preferences. Once Ubuntu is ready, you can enter your password, and then basically you can start configuring your new operating system on Windows using VirtualBox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.